Hello students. Today we're going to take it back to the basics. We're going to learn about the verb to be. Now there are actually three verbs in the present: am, is, and are. And we use these verbs, and we must always remember this, with a subject pronoun. All right? So our subject pronouns are I, we, you, they, and he, she, it. These are like little families. So we need to think about them together because they always take the same auxiliary verb. All right? So with am, we use the subject I. I, me, I. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. You are a student. So I am, you are. I am, you are. Again, this is very basic, but it's really important for low level English learners. He is an actress. That's not right. She is an actress, because an actress is a woman. I can say he is an actor. He is an actor. All right? So we use I am, we, you, they, are, he, she, it, is. So I am a teacher, you are a student, she is an actress. Fairly straightforward, but very important. Remember, subject plus be. Moving on, what if I'm not something? So I can say I am Canadian. I am not American. I am Canadian. I am not American. I'm not American. Okay? So same. I am not. We, you, they are not. He, she, it is not. I am not American. You are not Japanese. Well, you might be Japanese. If you're watching this video and you're Japanese, you would say, I am Japanese. Easy, right? But anyway, probably we are not American. Okay? So I am not, we, you, they are not, and he, she, it is not. I can look outside, the sun is shining, and I can say it is not raining. It is not raining. If I want to take are not and is not, I want to make them shorter. I can say aren't and isn't. They aren't Japanese. It isn't raining. That's just a short way. Those are called contractions. So that's it for to be in the positive form and the negative form. But here's just a quick example of how you can introduce yourself using the verb to be. If you want to do this for us, you can post that in the comments below, and we will be happy to give you some feedback on your sentences. But you can simply follow this. So for me, my name is Matt. I am from Canada. I am, or I'm, a teacher. So it's a very easy way to introduce yourself. My name is Matt. I am from Canada, and I am a teacher. I look forward to seeing your sentences below. Comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.